You must have made an omelette several times, but have you ever tried making an omelette curry? I really love it, so I thought of sharing the recipe with you all. Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. And today we will be making fluffy omelettes that become extremely delicious after soaking up all that masala gravy goodness. And like most of my recipes, it is really very easy to make. You can use 1 or 2 eggs per person. Add chopped green chillies if you prefer, chopped coriander leaves or any greens of your choice, chopped tomatoes and onions, little bit of salt and freshly crushed black pepper, and just a tiny pinch of turmeric powder, the sunshine of Indian cuisine. Now my friends, the goal here is to make a very fluffy omelette. So whisk the eggs as much possible till it gets airy and frothy. Whisk as if your life depends on it, and that will make really fluffy omelettes. Next, I like using my small tadka pan for this. You can use any pan, but use a smaller one. And if the bottom is round like this, then the omelettes get a good shape. Heat it over medium-high heat with a tablespoon of oil. Then fluff up the eggs one more time before adding and add it to the hot oil. Lower the heat to low and just enjoy the egg getting all fluffed up in that pan. As I told you, if the base of your pan is round like this, then the omelette will take the shape of the pan. But please do not worry if you do not have a pan like this. Just make a regular omelette. But remember to mix the eggs very well and make them frothy. You can also mix all the eggs together and use one large pan and then cut into quarters. Our omelettes are all ready, so moving on to making the gravy. Heat oil, add chopped onions, then you know the usual drill, that is a sprinkle of salt. Fry the onions till they just develop a little golden color along the edges. Then it is spice time. So a splash of water goes in to bring down the temperature of the pan. Heat low. We are doing all this to prevent the spices from getting burnt. I added a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of chilli powder, and a teaspoon of ground cumin, that is jeera powder. Fry the spices for a few seconds on low heat and then goes a teaspoon each of finely grated ginger and garlic. Fry the ginger and garlic for a minute, and next in line is a chopped tomato along with salt. Add just a splash of water. Now cover on 2 minutes on medium heat and allow the tomatoes to soften up. The tomato has become soft and pulpy. I added some chopped coriander leaves. Now add about 3/4 of a cup of hot water. I like adding just half a teaspoon of sugar to balance out those flavors, but that's totally optional, as I always say. Now time for the fluffy omelettes to soak up all that gravy goodness. Cover on for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, lid off to reveal the moment of truth. And look at those beauties. They have fluffed up more and are like pillows of love. And it is such a quick recipe. If you or your family likes eggs, then please try this recipe and do send me your feedback. I love reading each and every comment. And my friends, please do not forget to click that like button for me if you've enjoyed watching this video. Bye bye.